Morning, everybody. This is Ed from Daily Living with Ed and Deb. Today is Valentine's Day. So today what I'm going to do is I've got some fresh venison. I'm going to stir that up, mix it with some mushrooms, about 4 ounces of mushrooms, and I'm going to slice and dice a couple onions. Well, actually 1 onion, cut it in half. I'm going to mix some scrambled eggs. It is Valentine's Day, so today I'm going to spoil Deborah and I'm going to make breakfast. We're going to also have nice fresh papaya for breakfast, and we're also doing fresh cut pineapple. Yes, and it is burning my eyes. Okay, so I'm just finally chopping the mushrooms. Yes, the onions making me cry. Okay, so we got that done. I'm going to do the onions first. I'm going to get them a little soft, and then I will do the venison, and I'll throw in the mushrooms. I usually like cooking the harder vegetables first. Then the next thing would be, if you had carrots, it'd be carrots, broccoli, and then start going to your softer vegetables when you do, say, a stir fry. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some avocado oil to the frying pan and then start cooking the onions. Actually, you know what I'm going to do is, we had bacon yesterday morning. I'm going to use the bacon grease. That's what I'm going to do. We're heating up the bacon grease. Everything goes good with bacon. Okay. We'll get this all cooked up and I'll be with you shortly. Slightly soft. Then I'll add the venison. When the venison is starting to turn brown but not yet cooked, I'll add the mushrooms. Okay, adding 4 ounces of mushrooms. This looks pretty good. Some Italian seasoning. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. Okay, this is not quite done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on scrambled eggs. Alright, so for the scrambled eggs, we're going to crack 6 eggs. I'm going to add just about a tablespoon. Oh, let's do yeah, one heavy tablespoon of avocado oil. That way when we're cooking it, it's not going to stick. And then we're going to add some water. Maybe a 1/4 cup of water. Okay, get the pan hot and get the scrambled eggs ready. So I've moved the venison concoction over to the other burner. Okay. Add a little salt, a little pepper, yeah, what the heck, let's just throw a little bit of parsley flakes in there. Yeah, maybe we'll throw some little bit of chili powder, not much. Just give it a little kick. Okay, everybody, and there's what you've got here. Took about 30 minutes total time. Love it. All right, everybody, so thanks for tuning in and happy Valentine's. So just remember, our mind is like a computer. You get a virus in, virus will come out. So keep a positive mind and positive things will happen. Thank you.